No.
What is it?
It's paper bills. I'm putting a picture in case we stay on. For my email, okay?
For your email? You're gonna put a picture in your email?
Yeah. No. This is. No. I'm gonna put this on your computer in case you miss me, and this is my email.
Oh yes, I do miss you. And then you put that on my computer so I'll always have it?
Yes.
Oh, thank
Because
you.
you miss me. And don't take it off.
Ever?
No. Yes. Don't take it off. Ever, never.
Okay.
I don't want you to take it off.
Esme?
What?
I love you.
You just want my email.
Esme!
It's on my email. You can't kiss me.
Yes, I can.
No.
Hey, I love you.
Try to kiss me.
I love you.
Try to kiss me.
Uh-oh, we're gonna have problems now.
Why?
Because I'm gonna get you. I didn't kiss you.
You didn't kiss me.
Are you sure?
Still.
What's that? What's that? Is that fun?
Yeah.
What?
Stay here.
What? Okay, just stay here. Okay. Hey, whose foot is that?
No, stay here and don't give me and you'll smell.
Whose stinky foot is that?
Strawberry shortcake.
It's Strawberry Shortcake's stinky foot? Man, what should we do?
We should give her. What should we give her?
We should give her a spanking.
Oil.
Oh, we should give her oil. Oil for her foot?
Yeah. 2 foot.
1 foot? 2 foot?
No. 1 foot.
1 foot? 2 foot?
Nothing.
Nothing?
No, this 1 foot.
Just 1 foot?
Yeah.
For your foot?
No, okay. That's right.
What?
That's right.
Smell your foot?
Yeah.
Me?
Yes, you do.
Smell your foot?
Yes.
I don't want to.
Yes.
You need some oil. Do you need some oil for your foot?
Yes.
Let me smell. Oh, it smells good.
It has.
Yes.
Ew, it's cheesy.
It's cheesy? Why is it cheesy? Hey.
The belly button. My baby goes inside.
A baby's in your belly button?
Yes.
Like on Kristen?
My kid.
Oh, should I kiss the baby?
Feel this.
Boom, 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 boom. Big baby. Should I kiss the baby?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, no. What's your baby's name?
What you would name her?
I should name her? Well, is it a boy or a girl?
A girl.
I think Becky is a good name.
Becky's not a girl.
Becky is a girl's name.
No, Becky's a boy.
Becky is a girl's name. How about Rebecca?
No. I know a good idea.
What?
I know what was the name of her.
What?
Do you want Steve?
Steve? For a girl's name. You think so?
Yeah.
I think Steve is a boy's name.
No.
No.
He's a girl.
Steve is a girl's name?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll name your baby Steve.
Gosh.
Who's that? baby's talking out of your mouth?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I can't hear. What is she saying?
She'll say, Mama, Mama.
Oh. Okay.
But I'm not really Mama.
You're not really a mama?
I'm just big sister.
You want to be a big sister?
How about you be a daddy and we were at the house and we were selling groceries and so those stores were going to be the drive-in and we had 6 chairs so because we had a truck, okay?
6 chairs at the drive-in for groceries.
No.
No, what?
Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Like we need that one.
1, 2, 3, 4. For a car?
Yeah, and that one, and that
5 and 6. Okay. Well, are we done making a movie?
one. Yes.
Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
See you